Did you notice the sentiment score at plus 0.14 and momentum at plus 0.32? This spike is noteworthy, especially compared to our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers around 0. It's a clear indication that there's a shift in market perception happening right now. Our Finance Sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis of these shifts, giving you not just raw scores, but insights into 20 semantic clusters that reveal the underlying themes driving this sentiment. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm to enhance your decision-making process. With these insights, you could pinpoint emerging trends before they become mainstream, giving you a critical edge. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this data to drive smarter decisions together.